What's up? Yeah, man.
So we're at the trampoline park. So this is Sky Zone Trampoline Park.
Yeah. Just like a little road trip, guys. Then we brought the kids out. Yeah, man. So we're gonna see what this thing is about.
Yeah, I saw a carnival outside in the
Parking lot.
I'm hoping to carry them, to be honest with you. I'm hoping
Okay.
to carry them. But we'll see. Oh, right. So we're trying to find it now.
Yeah. Okay. This is it, guys. Yeah. We're here. Trampoline park. Watch ya. Who?
Blippi come here.
Blippi? Yeah? Okay.
Sky watching Blippi and came here.
Okay.
Yes, we are.
Kyrie, did you see this on Blippi?
Yeah.
What did Blippi do?
Blippi go in the fun house.
Okay.
And he was on my spot with on TV. All the time I was watching it.
Jump, Kyrie, jump.
So this video is brought to you by Stellar Power Solar Solutions. We are your Stellar Solar providers, bringing affordable solar solutions to you. So behind us are a couple of our Airbnb apartments, and if you guys remember, this is the original unit here at the front, and we actually added on at the back with an additional apartment. And as you can imagine, the energy consumption here is significant, and it also tremendously affected our financials. So we had to make a decision. That's where Stellar Power came in, right? And Stellar Power, with a very minimal investment, allowed us to basically bring our light bill down to around zero. And within a year and a half to 2 years, we'll be breaking even with that investment. Stellar Power Solar Solutions can also help you in this aspect as well. Even if you have a very modest household with around a $20,000 or $30,000 light bill, you can make a minimal investment of around 1.3 to 1.4 million and bring your light bill down to around zero as well. So reach out to us today for a quotation. All right. You can WhatsApp us at 876-495-9574 for a quote. All right. Stellar Power Solar Solutions, your solar solution provider. All right, guys. Thank you. Hey. Woo. Oh yeah.
Is that a wire? All right, watch now. There you go. Hey. Oh yeah. Guys, we know them picking and them singing, yeah. Cause they look with a ramp with them. I'm tired. Oh my gosh. So I'm stuck babysitting while Adrian gone off with the big boys. Adrian, what is it, true?
Yes.
can do it. You can do it. Whoa! Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Yes, it is so funny. Do it again. Come on, come on. Over the big one. Over the big one. Big one, the big one. Hey, we don't know what they're picking at this, you know? You need to tackle the obstacle course. So bounce over, go over the small one, then you have to go over the big one. Come on, quick cessation, come on. Rapidly, come on. Come on, Jaden. Come on. What? Big one, no. Big one, no. Big one, no. All right. Come again. Let's see if I can beat Carrie. Carrie, I go on, you know. All right. Jaden wet. Come on, Jaden. Come on, one more. Jaden had a big place. Where's Carrie? Is Carrie there? Them people here have so much energy. I'm so happy for them. But when they become big people, it's almost as if you forgot how to do stuff like this. Almost like say, you don't know how to do this again. This is such a strange thing to us, you know?
Whoa! Good, just like that.
Ready? Go! I've never done anything before in my life. Give me the pep talk, babe.
Yeah,
Give me the pep talk.
you can do it.
You want to go again? No?
Wait, Carrie, let mommy go.
No? Do you want me to
Wait,
go
Carrie,
now?
let go. Let mommy go. Go, mommy.
I'm about to risk my life just for this adventure. Oh my gosh. Y'all ready? Go. Motivation. Jaden, are you watching this? Are you seeing this, Jaden?
All right, go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! Wow, you're going good. You're going good. Pulling it up, Carrie. Well done. Yes, Carrie. Pull it back, Carrie. Yes. Now go and pull it again, Carrie.
No, Daddy.
Yeah.
No, Daddy.
Yeah.
No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Talk about support and motivation. Wait.
All right, here we go. Carrie, push behind.
2, 1, go!
Wait. Let's go down one more time, Carrie. Wait.
One more. No.
3,
Come on,
2,
come down again.
1, go!
Best him like him here, like him there, don't shiver. Oh my gosh, Carrie, you want to do it again? No? I was challenged by Jaden to do this. Okay?
It's a gladiator fight.
Yes.
All right.
Come on, Jaden. Come on, Jaden. Kyrie, come and look at this. Mom against Jaden. Mom against Jaden. Come.
What am I doing? Attack, yes, attack. Oh, God. Alright, my turn. I'm one challenge, can go like him bad. Cat, I'm eating for you. Come. Alright, take this, babe. I'm beating for you. Yeah. No, why you hold it up?
Come on, no. Come on. Get back up there. Get back up there.
Please remember these are rules. No running crazy, no double bouncing, and no double flips or gainers. No head first diving. Be aware of others.
Alright, Kyrie, you make Jaden and Daddy bat sweet talk. Come on. Come on, guys. We want a good match this time. Come on. Come on. Ready? Come, good match. Come on. I don't know what that never do, you know. I don't know what that never do, you know. Oh, you see that, Kyrie? You can try it like that. You can do it. Come on. Ready? Come. Ready. Woo! Hey guys, we are at a steakhouse. Let's have some steaks today. Yeah. Let's have some steaks today. Right, Mr. Adelpratt? Yeah. Hey guys, so we are off to, we want to have some lunch. And yeah, this is the place that we're going to lunch today. Finally successful. Went to actually went to a place before and they were full because today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you mommies out there. Alright?
This will be post-dated though, of course.
Yes.
You know, but happy belated Mother's Day.
Happy belated Mother's Day to Blossom and Valdine and Amanda and Shanika and Vivian and Carlene. What am I on the phone now? Happy Mother's Day, guys. Going strong, man. Jaden, Kevin.
I'm trying to get this together.
Kyrie, what are you having? I see your plate. What is this? What's that?
The corn.
Eating corn? And fries? Okay. Carry a one strong, guys.
Hey, say good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're there now. We're in a Nantucket. Alright. We're out with the kids at the moment. Jason want to ride the bike. See him there come. You know, we came over yesterday and we just kind of rest up and yeah, we went for a small drive as well, you know, but we never really do too much. We just basically chill at home. Yeah, so this is the neighborhood, you know. It's an island, a holiday island. Yeah. Alright, come Carrie, let's walk up the street, come. Let's walk up the street.
Satan is coming again?
Yeah, he's coming back. There he is. Riding grandpa's bike. Come, Kai, come. Yeah, them place here. So the people them like to live, you know. See all the road, these are like the off-road. The people them community. So they drive a lot of big 4x4 kind of vehicle. Yeah, so them like it, you know. Yeah, so it's ahead to summertime again, so the place I get really crazy with tourists and stuff like that. You know. Yep. It's like this. Come, Kyrie, come. Don't run in the middle, run on the side. Yeah. Jay, don't ride in the middle. What?
I'm going to catch up with it.
Okay. I'm going this way. The main road up there, so in the street of the main road that way. Also have the main road that way too. You know.
Stop right now! Stop, Chloe!
Yeah, we'll go through here, so. There's some courts over here. I'll go through here, so I'll drive past and see it.
Stop, Chloe! You're under direct.
Why?
Because you're driving too fast.
I'm running away.
Catch him, Kyrie. Catch him.
For walking. This wood is for walking.
This wood is for walking, not football.
I get tired.
Hey guys, we are walking in the woods. We're supposed to be going to.
And I'm going to be the bad guy.
We are supposed to be walking to a playground, a park, football field, something like that. Yeah, so we're off to the park or football field. We're yet to see what that is. Everyone gonna hit it now. What is that? What's that, shit?
Bird shit to me.
Shit?
Bird shit, yeah. Right up on him for Jay. Kyrie, come here, let me tie on this. Let me tie on this.
You didn't stop, no?
These two.
No.
Are you scared, babe, to be walking through the woods?
Scared of what?
I don't know.
What are you scared of?
I don't know. Anything that is there to be afraid of? Like bird shit?
It's just what we worry about in life. Life will be good.
What do you owe me? I don't want a soda.
It sound like me a fire. So like me a fire, because that's my thing. Right there, yeah?
Okay.
You hear the kids then?
Yeah, I hear the kids.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head because he's supposed to always win. And because Jaden passed him with the bicycle, he must have to make sure say him reach there. And Jaden now is a troublemaker. So he's gonna try to do something.
Why?
Come on, please.
We're going right here, we're turning right.
I went over there.
You can put on our shoes, you know. Going this way. I come on my bicycle, sorry. Jay, you can walk with cat. You're gonna do it Jamaican style. And
You're
you
giving him
hold
a
on.
toe? You're towing
Yeah,
him?
you toe him. Jamaican style. Sit down, sit just like this. No, sit, hold the hole here. Alright? Yeah, here we go. Yeah.
Oops. Guys, the sun is out, which is beautiful, but it's still a little bit chilly. This is a great day for them, but it's still a cold day for us Jamaicans. We're used to Jamaica. Because some of the Jamaicans are used to Jamaica again.
Kiss them over there. The course.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is the field right here. So all the buildings over here have shingles on them. Looking like that great building down there. We know what kind of wild ball that you might kick. Oh really? Socks free. Yeah, we made friends over there. I'm gonna introduce him whole family.
Jaden goal. 1 versus 1.
1 on 1?
1 on 1.
1 on 1? No excuses this time. None of you, no excuses, alright? Let's see what you got, JJ. Come on, score a goal.
No, delete that.
No, I mean by delete that. Goal wide open. Huh? Alright, you can do it. You can do it over. You can do it over.
I'm not ease for him.
Don't it? Don't it? I don't know why you did that. I don't know why you did that. What? What? One up there? One up there? Oh, you don't know how it happened. Boy. Defend your goal, man. Defend your goal. What kind of goalkeeping that? What kind of goal is that, man? 2-2. Come on. Best of 5. Best of 5. Best of 5. Best of 5. What? What? Hey, Carrie's face was very concerned, you know. Carrie's face had great concern on it, you know. So what happened? The goal score? What kind of rusty kick that, man?
Ready?
Come on. Best of 5. Are we there? What? 2-1 now? Alright, 3-1. 3-1? 3-2. 3-2.
Hey. You must learn to protect him goal. You must learn to protect him goal.
Watch ya. Ball was stolen. Protect your goal, watch ya. So that's for 4-2. Come on, Jaden. Watch ya. Watch ya. Alright, back at it, guys. Back at it, guys. Come on. Listen, it's best of 5 in a Jaden, so you can't afford for him score, you know. No, sir. 5-2. 5-2. Best of 5. Come, Jaden. What do you have to say for yourself? 5-2. Best of 5.
He must go learn today. You're going to learn today.
Best of 5, so your father win this round. What? What? See that? Come on, Jaden. Come on, Jaden. No, sir. Jaden, you're under pressure, man. You carry over their name, what will we name to your new friend? Carry a new friend.
Pass it to him, make him set you and then kick. Wait, Kyrie. Pass it to Jaden.
You're worthy. Come on. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. 1-on-1. Come on. Good job. Good job. I was wondering what's gonna happen from that stance, you know. You can do it. Kyrie.
Yes.
What's up? You good? Jaden? You good? We're on our way out, guys. Adrian said he's gonna carry us to another park.
And I'll try and find, sure, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be more like a park.
Going to be a playground, so hopefully there's a playground there this time. Today is sunny. That is very good. And yeah, look on the road. Like we're going to the airport.
Why?
Because that park is open.
You sure? I'm not gonna spin around. Park. Like a kiddies park.
Like a playground.
So I'm there a while ago. Never go look on him. And there they cross the track a while ago. Never spin
Oh,
around
so
and
them
go.
pull down for them top there, but this top is a hard top. It's not like the soft top where them have.
Yeah, but you can pull it off. You can. This is
So
a
he's gonna
Bronco.
try to pull down this.
Yeah, I want to just take it off. Daddy
Adrian
truck.
will want him father if you have a heart failure, you know.
Oh, that's spin around. Make the deer across the road.
Okay.
Wasn't gone back and
No, man, he might eat. Hopefully him dead still.
What deer eat?
everything.
Yeah, my herbivore.
Herbivore. There's a hey. Oh. Oh.
Powerful. Powerful.
Yeah, take time with the power. Use the power wisely. Today is a day for us exploring because yesterday we tried. We did try yesterday, but honestly, we were all tired. We can all our way at one point is sleeping on Asian. Oh.
Alright, right here, so I see the deer a while ago. Spin around the ship. I pass him. Damn it. Alright, that's up. Shit.
Again.
I want to look for the deer meat for dinner.
Yeah.
We're here. It's a playground. Alright guys, so
We gotta go. You can do them one time.
yeah, so we're at the playground, guys. Alright. Discover playground inside park. Oh. This is like soft
Yeah.
turf, like. Mm. Yeah, it's.
What about this? What does this do? Try and turn it.
The turning wheel. It makes all the colors.
Oh, it has a lot of different colors.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And this side, it looks like, oh, I'm so dizzy.
Oh, turn it again, Kyrie. Ooh. Kyrie, you want to see it? Come around and let me show you. Come around and let me show you it. All right, look at it.
What?
Yeah, I'm hypnotizing you. Hey.
Yeah.
You can climb on this one. You don't try. Slide down and then come climb right here.
Okay. There we go.
It's like wall climbing, rock climbing, eh? Go, Kyrie.
Okay.
Hold the rope, Kyrie. Go up, use the climb the rope. Hold the rope, Kyrie, yeah.
Stop.
Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Ah, man. Ooh, man. Pull it all the way back. Go all the way back. Go all the way back. Yeah. Ooh. All right, Kyrie, your turn. Stand on here. Stand right here. Stand right there. No, man, him can't hold on. Him can't do it. Climb up. Sit on it. Sit.
No.
Go and sit here. 2, 3, go.
Oh no, not bad. Ah, I'm going.
Alright, come down.
Good job. We have a musical station over here, so. Help me with the other one, the Adrian.
Bad man.
Adrian, help me with the other one.
Keep on your bad man.
Do it now? What about the drum over there, sir? Make a beat. Drummist, come on. In that. Come now. Make a beat.
Okay, go off. Good job. Uh-oh. He's going to come back. Oh, he's not.
Your turn. Oh, it's a lock, you know. Never see that. Excuse Gary, get from behind it. Over there. They did actually have a lock and we never realized.
Yeah, I never even realized it.
Never noticed. Step, Kurt.
Somebody go. Okay.
Come on this side. Come on this side. Come here.
Nice. You like the exercise, Carrie?
Yeah.
Come on, faster, faster. Faster, let's break our record. Let's go. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast.
And go
Fast,
fast as
fast.
I can.
Fast as you can. Okay. Oh, that, okay. Let me know when you want to get done, okay, Carrie?
So the adults can get a workout
Oh,
while the kids play.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Build those
After they
muscles.
go,
Yeah.
You're too small. You're too small, Kyrie. I have
Nice,
resistant
Kyrie,
diet
have-
down here, so you know.
I have a bit of running out
The resistant
now.
diet down here, so a nice little workout section.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Outdoor workout, nice, eh?
Yeah, make him go on that a little run something here. Alright, Carrie, come, let's go in this one. This one over here. Let's go in this right here.
ha, he. Going at the top.
You're going to the top?
To climb on the side.
Eh?
Climb on the side.
On the side, like this.
Yeah.
Here.
Spin it. Come down now, this thing hard to spin.
Oh, let me. Was that fast? I wasn't. It was fast? Want to try that one? Right here, this one. This one right here. Right, walk right here. See? Yeah, like that.
Mom, I want the pink.
Okay, guys.
I don't want that noise.
You don't want that noise? See that, Jaden? Alright, guys, we are on a different chapter. We're back on the mainland. We went in a car. Took us a while. Pitney them hungry. And we are out for a road trip. Everybody in the car say road trip!
Road trip. So we're doing a long drive, guys. We're going all the way to New York.
Yeah.
Alright, about 4.5 hours to New York from here. You know what I mean? Yeah, so we're gonna jump on the GPS real quick, guys. So we'll see which way we're supposed to turn. Alright, we're gonna get right back to you.
Alright, guys. But we're gonna get food first. And Kai body hungry. Alright, is it Jaden face on there? Alright, guys. We'll definitely keep up with you. Hopefully. Hey guys, at Jaden's request, we are going to Chick-fil-A. Right? And this little guy here is so hungry, he's not willing to share his snacks. What's him showing a mean face? Not even him snacks, him willing to share, guys. That's how hungry Kyrie is right now.
I'm so hungry I could eat a parent.
Oh my god.
Really? Good one.
Oh
And
my
that's a
god.
Good one, Carrie. So we did the whole I'm so hungry I could eat a kid thing with him the other day. If we find the video, we can probably insert it at some point. Kyrie,
Yes.
both of us, Daddy and Mommy is so hungry we could eat a kid right now.
What?
Yeah,
You could eat a
we
kid.
could eat a kid.
Oh.
Yeah, for real, we could eat a kid. We're so hungry. We could.
You mean you can eat me? Ha! I made a gray and you
You're made of clay?
How did you? Who told you you're made of clay?
Jesus.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So why can't we eat you? We're really hungry.
They made this way, so I cannot break or made a pieces.
So suppose I like bite your hand and daddy bites your leg and stuff like that.
But my body parts are made of clay.
He was not okay with us eating him, right? He's
I
unedible.
don't want to be eaten because they're made out of clay.
Yes, he said that he's made of clay, so he's unedible.
Meat?
All right. Guys, we're passing this pretty river. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Guys, I never did a video. Alright guys, we are
Providence, Rhode Island.
Alright guys, we are on our road trip. Very beautiful state, I must say. This is our current car situation. Adrian, big up with driver. Hey. Jaden knocked out. Kyrie around there, not sleeping but in kind of a rough mood. I don't know what's going on with him. Say hi, Kyrie.
Hi.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I think I have his car. No, we can probably take out one of them car and keep. Anyways, this is our current car situation. We are on our way road trip. yeah, we're on the way.
44 miles, 95 south to New York. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. So the thing about driving now in America, what is so different from driving in Jamaica is that it's so hard. As Bill say, it's difficult because you have so many lanes. You have to make sure you stay in the ideal lane, and sometimes with the lane where you for turn pan, you can easily miss the turn and be on a different road and you realize you're like a whole hour out from your journey. You know, because you made the wrong turn. And some of the turn them, you can easily come back on the right track, but some of the other turn them, you make the wrong turn, and trust me, it's a while if you get back on. So today we are staying focused. I had a little 15-minute nap, feeling a lot better, and Adrian appears to be doing good, so I'm happy. I think I'm happy about this because, you know what, babe, I said it to you before, you know, I wanted to do like a cross-country road trip in America.
Yeah.
I said it, so I'm kind of looking forward to this one to see what it to be like, to see if we can.
Yeah, the pun and 12-hour driving, this is how some people do, you know.
Why not?
That shit crazy, babe. I think we can stay for them breathe hours there. But they be like in a plane for 3 hours much less.
But it's not, you won't be like, it's not gonna be like straight driving. That's not my ideal idea of a road trip. It's gonna be stopping at different sites and doing different things. But I think if you're gonna be doing that, I don't know if we must carry the kids them or do it by ourselves, like an individual thing. I don't know. Because I think oh, I'm going to sleep now. Carrie going to sleep. As I mentioned, he was a bit miserable. Sometimes like they're up for my kids are up for adventure more than other kids are, I believe.
In fact, you see that something here? On a 44 miles or whatever to New York, you know. This road they have a merge to the I-95.
Oh.
If you go on New York. So yeah, that road here I gonna head to. These are the west 195. The 195 will meet on the 95.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a go.
Okay. Let us know what you think, and if any of you guys have ever done like cross-country drives in the US, especially as a tourist, and do you think that we're crazy? Because some people are not as adventurous as we are. But I gather that we are very adventurous, to be quite honest. We went to the trampoline park for Jaden's birthday. We needed a fun activity to do. Yes, he was having fun with his family and so forth, but we wanted something more child-centered. So we went there. It was very fun. What I realized is we were the only boy parents that was there. Everybody else there had girls, and we were the only ones that were like in it. Like we were having fun with these kids. Adrian and I, we were there and we're doing the activity to the kids, and I'm like, you know what? I think being boy parent is totally different from being girl parents in terms of just the amount of energy that you have to have with them. Like, let me know in the comment section if you're a boy parent, boy mom, boy dad, if it is the same thing, if you have to have that energy to match them, or if it is that it's just us. You know, and it's the same thing no matter what. Let us know if it's just us have the high energy, or if it is definitely like a boy parent thing in the comment section. Let us know, right? But yeah,
Babes, just take over, you know. I'm gonna burn off like a sleep. I did get sleepy. Yeah, man, I get sleepy, man, so just took over, you know. Yeah. We're gonna make a quick stop in Connecticut because I have a long time bridge, you know, make a link up real quick. In family at least. He's not at home. I link up with mama and sister and thing. Yeah, we ever see him there in New York, so I link me in New York, but them people grew up around, you know, so I link them up real quick, you know. Like a detour, you know, on the journey and thing, you know? Yeah, it's a big driver. Yeah.
hey guys, oh, we don't need our mics.
It's not so bad with the audio. Oh, look, guys. We got a new camera.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you it soon, you know? But yeah, we got a new camera.
So we are on foot. We just returned to our rent-a-car. And we're trying to find the train station, so let's see how good we do that. Okay. This is awesome. I think rain is gonna fall today. Our kids decided that they do not want to be with us today. They wanted to stay at the house. So we're by ourselves. Kids free. We ain't got them. We ain't complaining either. We're not complaining. So we're trying to figure out GPS, Google Maps while walking.
Alrighty, so we just jumped in an Uber to hopefully find like the nearest train station. We want to get some passes for the subway and stuff, because I think we want to find a way around to King's Plaza, I think them call it.
Yeah.
You know, so we just get an Uber, so we'll make our way around the road now, you know? Yep. Bring it up, turn it up and down, yeah. So I want to say I was, you know, up and down trying to find this camera, right? But a couple stores we went to, it was like out of stock, and I wanted a particular bundle when I just couldn't get. So when we do, we just kind of downgrade the bundle, got it on Amazon. So we got it delivered to Cass them mom address, you know. So that's where we picked it up last night when we came over. So yeah, new vlog camera. Tell you how I like it, you know. This is it.
Overlook, guys, overlook.
Come on. Alright, yep. Place, huh? Alright, we reached the Rockaway train station. So we're gonna go in and try to get some tickets. You know. go. Alright.
Face track enabled. Thank you. What number bus is this? Guys, we got a bus card and we just met one of our now pick up Adrian.
Yeah.
So guys, we got our bus card and we just met one of our subscribers. Pick up yourself, Angela, and your husband. Pick up on yourself. Yeah. And thank you guys for always watching our content. And we had a good conversation. So yeah, we should be talking to each other soon. But right now we are looking for what bus we looking for, babe?
B47.
B47.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. The 47 comes right here. The 47 leaves from here. No.
Trying to get direction. It is recording? Yeah, it is. Track 2 places. So we're on the bus. We asked the driver, this is a B6. We asked the driver, but he said that he's going to show us where to get off. We're going to get off at the Ralph. So he's going to help us out with that. So we'll tell y'all how this adventure goes, okay? Yeah, we then gone home school. Wow, in the meantime, crowded. We'll keep you up on our little adventure. We'll keep you up to date on our little adventure, okay?
I looked at her and I said, where have I seen this lady before? And then I remember the real estate, showing the houses and everything. And, and then, because you have 2 little boys.
Yeah, we do.
And then your mom doing the cooking and everything. And I said, you know, I'm embarrassed because they might say, what are you talking about, girl?
Oh, no.
But, you know, but then when he turns around with this, I said, aha, there's no mistaking.
Yeah.
Nice seeing you guys.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Yeah.
Good to see you. What's your name?
Well, my name is Cassette Jellen.
Okay, Miss Cassette.
I'm Jamaican, but I left Jamaica when I was 13 years old and I grew up in the UK.
Oh, okay. And then you've been here.
I've been here, but my family originally is from Westmoreland and Hanover.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I get to know the country a little bit, you know, each time I go home and everything else.
Yeah.
You know, but I work part-time, you know, I'm coming from work. You know, that's why I have the hat, because it was supposed to rain and everything else.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. In living color. In living color.
That's good.
Oh, my God. So nice to meet you guys.
Yes, and thank you for your support.
Yes. Oh, my God. I want to take a...
You want to take a photo? Alrighty.
Yes.
Right.
I'm waiting for the 47.
What's your side? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold it up like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Jamaican.
Yes.
And Caribbean. I'm very, very proud of you guys.
Thank you.
You know, doing so well in Jamaica.
Thank you. Thank
God
you.
bless.
Do you know what time the 47 is coming?
It should be coming shortly. I'll tell you in a jiffy. Hold on.
Okay. They've been running into quite a number of supporters, you know?
No, but I was standing over there and I said, maybe I should.
Yeah.
Maybe not. I said,
Thank you.
because I hate rejection. I hate somebody
Oh,
says,
God.
who you get me mixed up with?
Where you say going now?
You might like Back to the Future.
Back to the Future.
He likes the movie. He watches all them in the series.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. What size is that?
This is small. I think we need to get small.
Okay. Actually, went to Zara. We get some stuff for ourselves. You know? Yeah.
Especially the men's section. The men's section, they are going with itself.
Yeah, man, the thing them nice. They fit them nice, you know? Fit them nice. So we're in Old Navy. Yeah. We're in Old Navy just getting a few stuff for the boys, you know? Yeah.
So it's a medium. I'm going to put it back.
Alright. We're not too overdo it, you know, babe.
But I think it's going to like those two.
Alright, you want to check out now?
No, we're not anyway.
Think we're ready for check out, you know? You know? I think we're ready for check out. Loaded. Yeah, we're gonna left the place, yeah? Oh God. Shit. Yeah, we're gonna left the place here and just jump on a bus and go back home, you know? Yeah.
Or Uber.
Uber?
Bus life be rough, man.
It's a bus life rough.
Bus life rough.
Yeah. Yeah. What's poppin'? We're out here at Atlantic Avenue, right? Right nearby Barclays Center, right? Man, the little cub there, you know, bring him out. Just us. See them, we bring him out. We want to find a sports goods store nearby. There's one nearby, but just before that, there's an Apple store right here. Can't actually want a new phone, you know. Yeah. She fixed it, but it's still old. It's old, you know. But yeah, you can possibly get it. So yeah, I'm gonna look at this Apple store. See what them have in there, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna go in. You don't need phone. You talk like you need phone. You need phone? Go on. Go on. You talk like you need phone. Yeah. Yeah, do it like animated, you know, I didn't thumbnail. Alright, so just went to the Apple store a while ago. Still a kind of contemplate things. So maybe tomorrow we can come out, tomorrow or Sunday or them day we can come out, we can bring her and she can get a feel for herself as to what she got, you know, which one she want or whatever. But yeah, I think the store where I try to find is nearby here. Woo. We reach the sports goods store upon Atlantic Avenue. Right, it's raining out as well. Yeah, as you can see it's raining. You know. See there? It's nice, look good. You know. Yep. Hi. So Jay wants a soccer ball for himself, because I want one too. Because I have to go carry go the field when I play ball. And one thing man I always expect when I go foreign if you carry that ball, you know. So yeah. And I probably get a pair of boots for Kyrie. Get Kyrie him first pair of boots, you know? Yeah. Get Kyrie him first pair. For Kyrie, size 2s. And look at this one. Got this. See, I'm named up on K, but I don't know what letter that M or whatever. Oh, Mbappe boots this. Okay. So why you wouldn't want this for Kyrie?
Like this make out a leather and them say more comfortable.
Well, let's say you love follow YouTube a lot. Everything the tutorial them work with that you work with, no?
Not tutorial, like
Reviews. I get one film. But I prefer one of them I do, Jaden. Either this or this. Mind you, one of them I have to, you know, Jay. You know, so one of these I have.
yeah, man.
So one of them I that like film. Yeah. So like carry first pair. Yeah. One of them mud in Jay? Is it that mud? Let me see it.
Ellie, them are Ellie.
Oh yeah. It's not expensive. $279. Yeah. A professional thing that. Yep. How much are these? This is a size 4, you know. This is not 5, but a size 4. How much are those? Oh, you got size 5 in them? It would be more expensive?
Size 5, I just don't have a size 5.
You don't have size 5? Okay. That's a third, that's a size 3, no? That's smaller.
Total's $124.41.
Okay. Alright. Kindly deflate these for me, please. Good. Wow. Alright, this is what I get for Kyrie. Alright. Kyrie first set of boots. You know. And then ball them. Which one you want?
This one.
You want this one? Alright, so we get these two. Alright. It's a nice little facility, you know.